Hi everyone, it's Donna here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here with you today because it is my last video of 2023. And I can't wait to share my incredible floral journey with you. Now, you may have noticed I haven't been around as much as lately, and that is because I have been on the road, exploring the beauty of different places. It's been an amazing year, and I'm excited to take you along on this journey. First stop, Phoenix, Arizona. I have the opportunity to showcase my designs at the Arizona Flower Market, and let me tell you, it was an unforgettable experience. The Arizona Botanical Gardens was a dream, with stunning cacti and succulents that left me in awe. Next stop, Watertown, South Dakota. I was invited by the South Dakota Florist Association for a design show and workshop. I even got a taste of farm life, sitting on a tractor at my friend Donna's flower shop and her husband's farm. What an adventure! Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada was next on the list. I had a blast at a catalog photo shoot and experienced my first hockey games in a big stadium. Thanks to my friend Laurie. Oh, and the giant hot dog? It was a must try. In the summertime, I joined my friend June in setting up gorgeous floral displays at the Vancouver VanDusen Garden. Despite the heat, the result was absolutely beautiful. Then it was off to the Texas Floral Expo in Georgetown for my Floral Superhero stage program. Meeting fellow floral enthusiasts and friends make it a fantastic experience. September brought a dream come true. My first trip to Europe. I attend the Interflora World Cup in Manchester, England. The forestry, historical architecture, and museum visits were awe-inspiring, and nothing beats sipping coffee in the middle of a European street. From Europe to the far north, I landed in Anchorage, Alaska for a design show and workshop at Alaska Flower Market Hotel. The warmth of the people and delicious reindeer sausage make it an unforgettable experience. Lake Stop, Bradenton, Florida. The King's 75th Annual Open House. The contrast in temperature from Alaska was quite a change, but the stage shows, drinks, dinner, and yummy seafood make it all worth a while. San Jose, California was calling, where I present the holiday trends shows and wedding workshops. Sharing my passion with students at United Wholesale Flowers was an absolute joy. Oh, how could I forget the Windy City? Right after the San Jose workshops, despite my exhaustions, the warmth and the enthusiasm of the students make it an unforgettable experience. I even have to catch a few hours of sleep at the hotel, but sharing my floral journey with such a wonderful people in Chicago was absolutely worth it. In Portland, Oregon, I had the opportunity to set up a floral display at the Lanzhou Chinese Garden for the Chrysanthemum Festival. Collecting with local floral artists and sharing in the flower magic was an absolute blast. Last but not least, the Oasis Floral Products booth in Las Vegas for the Wedding MBA convention. It was hard work, but the result was stunning. An Instagram interview by Detail Flower Software Company add another exciting dimension to the Vegas experience. As I reflect on these incredible years, I am filled with gratitude for the opportunities, the new friends, and the unforgettable moments shared in the world of flowers. Thank you all for being a part of my 2023 floral journey. Here to an amazing year ahead, filled with more petals, passions, and fall magic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your fall journey moment in the comments below. Until next time, keep blooming. Bye.